We're transforming my home into Mayi's Cafe. I've been seeing this all over my Pinterest, my YouTube, my TikTok, and I love the idea because as a girly who loves going to coffee shops, trying pastries, it's one of my favorite things to do when I travel with my husband. I was like, let's do it for my birthday. If you're thinking about doing a home cafe as well, I highly encourage you to prep everything the day prior or 2 days prior. Don't do it the morning of, just get organized. What are some things that you'd like to make or purchase for your at-home cafe experience? I made a list on my notes tab, Mayi's Cafe. I went online, I'd say like 2 weeks prior, just to give yourself enough buffer room and order all your supplies online. I know Amazon has a 2-day delivery, but you never know. What if the size is wrong? Which happened to me, and you order the wrong size, or you don't like it and you need to return and pivot. So highly recommend to order yourself 2 weeks in advance. So if you are ordering a lot of things from Amazon, make an Amazon list, which was super helpful because when it comes down to purchasing it, it's not overwhelming. You just purchase, you have everything, you either get it delivered to your house, you pick it up, you do curbside, whatever your case is. It's to pre-order my groceries. So that way I can really plan ahead and it's quick and easy. Go pick it up. I like doing curbside pickup at Sam's Club. If you don't have a Sam's Club membership, I know there's other things like Instacart. There's like, I think you could do curbside at other places. So that's what I did. So I went ahead and here's the list that I did at Sam's Club. And that's mostly like things that I want to buy in bulk, like the croissants, cookies, things like for my baking, I got some walnuts in bulk, chocolate in bulk, things like that. That was super helpful. And I also got some champagne because we're making mimosas. Moving to decorations, I got a tip for you. Design on Canva, right? You're with me? And get creative. That's the fun part. So I designed on Canva this Mayi's Cafe, and I also designed a menu. Then I printed it out at Walgreens. Personally, I have a better experience at Walgreens than CVS. I don't know why, but every time I print from CVS, personally, I don't have a great experience, but when I print from Walgreens, it's awesome. So I went ahead and designed it, ordered it. They do same day pickup, but I still encourage you, just to be safe, order it a couple days prior to your celebration, just in case you need to do a redo or something happens. You never know. I'm obsessed with them. They came out so cute and they always have discount codes. So girl, I got mine 60% off, and the quality, the way it looks, I'm telling you, birthday parties, celebrations don't have to break the bank. I got you. I went ahead and ordered some custom stickers. I ordered these custom stickers on Shein, which I know, what the heck? Like, you can order custom stickers like on Etsy, Amazon, Staples, get creative. But I found them very inexpensive on Shein and they ended up being really good quality. So a win's a win. I also found some cool hosting decor things at Aldi. I found stuff on Amazon, Shein. cute. I'm nowhere near done yet. Your girl is exhausted. I think I've been going at it nonstop for 2 hours now, I think. I don't know. But let me show you how cute the stickers are. Oh my gosh. So I already put it on 2 of these. So cute, Mayi's Cafe. It feels so real. I'm like, wow, we're doing this. So let's go ahead and do more. So I'm planning of doing about, I think like maybe 4 hot coffees and then the rest ice. It's been so hot here. I mean, some people are gonna want it hot lattes, but should I say coffee? Some people are gonna want iced lattes, some people are gonna want hot lattes. So let's do a little bit of both. Boom. And then my nails are matching too. Oh, cute. And then I also have the plates that are this color, which is my favorite color right now. That I'll be showing you soon, but oh my gosh, it's all coming together. I am so tired, but this is all gonna be worth it. And I've been jamming out to the playlist that I made. Oh my goodness, the music, chef's kiss. I just love like indie, like cozy. It has like a mixture of like jazz, a mixture of indie, a mixture of just smooth, like vibey kind of. I don't know how to explain it, but listen, it's good. It's good. I don't want it to be slanted. Perfect. All right, I am gonna keep going. I'm gonna go ahead and do all of these cups. I gotta test try the lattes so that way I can tweak them tomorrow. I mean, look, my brain is not braining, but I'm gonna go ahead and test try the 2 coffees that I had featured on the menu, and I'm gonna go ahead and try them now in case they need to be tweaked. I'm gonna go ahead and experiment up in here. Oh my goodness, there's so much to do still. I still have to hang up the posters and make the mimosa station and pre-cut the croissants, and yeah, your girl's gotta get to work. I'm clocked in. So this is why it's so important to check sizes. I accidentally ordered the wrong size for my stickers and they ended up being teeny tiny, but we're gonna put them to use because I ordered these like to go, you know, bakery where like you put your cookies, banana bread. I ordered this, right? And I figured it'd be so cute to seal it and then put a sticker. So let's see how that looks. Just to get a vision so people can take some goodies with them home. So hopefully this comes like I envisioned. Let's see. Oh, it did! Cute! And it says Mayi's Cafe. And then they can fill it with cookies and stuff, and then we can seal it with the sticker. That's what I'm gonna do. forgot, here it is. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the experience. I hope that you learned from it, and I hope that it inspired you to make your own coffee shop at home. If you enjoyed watching videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give it a like, and thank you again for being here. I'll see you in the next video.